I'm here with Pixel. Hi. So, Pixie. Screaming.
We're invincible. Trust in me. We're invincible.
Hi, everyone. So, Pixie is the dancing diva of Chicago. So, tell us how long you've been dancing here at Chicago. Like, when did you start? How long has it been?
Well, I've been a house queen here for going on 3 years, which is kind of wild. But before I was here, I was a professional dancer for over 10 years, actually. Yeah, multiple different companies.
So, like ballet, like
yes,
jazz.
contemporary ballet.
Oh,
I
so
took it
we're
to
really
London. Yes, I toured to Scotland. I performed in Edinburgh. Yeah, like really cool things.
Oh, so she's a professional, y'all. She's giving you the twirl. I said dancing diva, and that's very accurate. So, what? I guess like you can include your proudest moments when it comes to like dance as well. But like, what is your proudest moment? Like, okay, maybe first in dance, and then also like in drag. Like, what would you say is your proudest moment?
Okay, when it comes to my dancing career, I think the proudest moment that I've ever had was working with Anne Reinking. If you don't know who she was like a dancing legend, worked with Bob Fosse, had a big old affair with him, like a big old drama going on there. But she is incredible. She was in the original Annie movie. Anyway, I danced in a ballet that she actually choreographed, and getting to work with her was really awesome. I wrote a thesis paper on her in college, so getting to work with her professionally was really cool.
Oh, that is so cute. I love that. So, if y'all don't know who that is, tell them one more time. The person, the
Yes,
name.
Anne Reinking.
Look her up so y'all can learn some little dance history. Herstory, honey. So, Pixie, you've been here at Charlie's for 3 years.
Yeah.
Tell us, like, if the girls were to give you, like, a biggest misconception, what would you say the biggest misconception about Pixel is?
I don't know.
If someone were to describe you and be like, Pixel is very much this, but she's actually not. Like, what's the biggest misconception about you?
I don't know. I feel like people assume that I'm more social than I actually am.
Okay.
Yeah, like when I'm not in the club, I am at home playing video games by myself.
I would actually concur.
Yes.
Because she gets like social. You do get social butterfly moments.
as well.
Yeah, but like we are both very reserved, like very
Very.
We don't speak unless spoken to half the time. Like it's very much
Like battery drains. If I'm not on the clock, I'm not talking.
It's very much that. I love that. That's called self-awareness, y'all. You're welcome. So, y'all started to do duets and group numbers here as well, yeah?
Yes, we've been doing those for quite a while.
So, what is your favorite duet or group number that you've done here so far?
Oh, hands down, we do a great Rihanna group number. It's sickening. We did it for New Year's Eve last year. That's where it premiered it, and it's so good. It's
so good.
hands down my favorite.
Yes. Oh my gosh. So, Pixie, you do a lot of cosplay and you do a lot of characterization.
I do.
What's your favorite cosplay character to play? Like, if you could do one for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Oh my gosh. It would probably be the first cosplay that I ever did with the Sailor Jupiter. Yes, way back in the day. I love her. She's my favorite Sailor Scout, Sailor Moon, icon, legend, star.
Why do you think Sailor Moon is such a millennial gay staple?
Oh, because it's so queer. Have you watched the show?
Yes,
So
I feel like for whatever reason, that one is just the millennial queer staple.
It really is. Yeah. It was an eye-opener for a lot of queer people.
Like, you cannot know cosplay or not know anime at all. And that's the one,
Yes. Everybody knows Sailor Moon.
Yes. So, let's see. Out of the Charlie's Queens, we have a lot of casting queens here on Charlie's. Who is most likely to Kai?
I have to pick two. Okay, I'm gonna pick Sapphire and Luna. Not necessarily between the two of them, but they will Kai.
I see that for them.
Yes.
Not necessarily together, but I see that. I see that for them for sure. Okay, who is most likely to not know their words?
None of us. What are you talking about? That's so offensive.
Okay, last question. Going along with that, because that was a very congenial answer. Thank you. If you had to award Miss Congeniality to one of your castmates, who would it be?
Ralph. you know.
I mean, that is actually real. That's
It's
wild.
true. It's true.
You know.
He's a sister.
Yeah. Well, tell the kids where they can find you on the internets.
Yeah, so you can follow me on Instagram at Pixel the Queen. Thank you. I would really appreciate it. I do a lot of cosplay, a lot of sewing, a lot of performance stuff, so it's a lot of fun. Come on out. And also, I host a show called Power Up on the first and third Thursday. It's a video game competition show, also with cosplay entertainment. So we do Mario Party, Mario Kart, Smash Brothers, Mortal Kombat. It's always a good time, and I'll love to see you guys come out.
All right. Well, we'll see y'all later. Have the best day ever.
Love you, Asha.